Welcome to Seesaw's Teacher Essentials for Success, creating a welcome post. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a personalized welcome post, share your welcome post with students and connected family members, save your welcome post as a draft and assign when ready. Let's jump in and see how to create a welcome post that will help set the right tone for the entire school year. Once logged in, choose the class who you want to share this welcome post with. Click the green Add button and select Post to Journal. Here, you'll be able to choose a Seesaw tool to build your post. To add a photo, select Upload and choose the photo from your computer or Google Drive you would like to use. Then click the green check. To create an intro video, select Video, tap a record icon, wait for your countdown, and begin recording your message. Click Done once your message is complete. Your photo or your video will be locked by default. To move or resize it, click the three dots, select Unlock, and use the corner and move tools to create more space on the canvas. Now you can add even more to your canvas. Tap the Label tool to give your post a title. Click the three dots to access backgrounds and shapes. Choose a background color to complement your photo or video, and select shapes for fun fact placeholders. Once shapes are in place, use the Label tool to add text to shapes. Formatting the text size is needed. To ensure all students and families can access the text, create a voice recording for each label. Select the text, tap the three dots, click Voice, then Record Voice, and simply read the text aloud. You can also copy and paste or drag and drop images to include more about you, your hobbies, and your life. Once you're happy with your welcome post, click the green check mark. Select all students in your class. Click the green check mark to save your selection. Make sure Class Default is selected as the folder, and click the green check mark one last time. Now, all students and connected family members will have access to your welcome post. If students are not yet rostered, you can tap Draft rather than the green check mark to save your work. Once students are added, head to the journal, select your sample student, and the draft will be visible. Simply select Edit and post it to all of your students. That brings us to the end of the Creating a Welcome Post tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit our Help Center for additional support.